Hi and welcome to another Kipware video presentation. In this quick video, we are going to focus on our runtime calculator app that comes standard with our KipwareCYC software. There's a couple of ways to use RTC, either through simple manual entries or automated through the importing of a KipwareCYC Cycletime estimate. Using manual entries, you can simply select a machine from your KipwareCYC database, and the efficiency rating and hourly rate will be automatically imported. Then you can input the number of parts in the run, cycle time on that machine, and number of hours worked in the day. Press Calculate and instantly see the total hours required, total days required, and total labor cost based on that criteria. The great feature of RTC is that you can perform what-if scenarios, change total number of parts, workday hours, whatever, and instantly see the results. Taking the automated route, you can import a KipwareCYC estimate, and this will import the cycle time from the estimate. Select the machine from your database, and those specs will be imported. Input the other criteria, and instantly see the results. Whichever method you use, the runtime calculator, included standard with KipwareCYC, is a handy tool that calculates your labor costs and times required, importantly even taking into account the efficiency factor for your machines. We all know that 8 hours of work doesn't result in 8 hours of production, so this is an important feature for true labor costs and times. RTC is just another example of the real-world software development of Kipware software. We invite you to explore all the Kipware applications from conversational CAM to quoting and estimating to pioneering G-code conversion at www.kipware.com.